Mitutoyo is revolutionizing precision measurement on the shop floor, helping manufacturers to save time, reduce scrap, and save money. Time is money, and Mitutoyo metrology solutions save both by offering a complete range of inline and nearline coordinate measuring machines, innovative software, and custom metrology solutions. Mitutoyo CMMs, including the MiSTAR 555, MACH Ko-Ga-Me, the MACH 3A, and the MACH V, deliver optimal inline measurement performance, flexibility, versatility, and high-speed precision measurements on shop floors of every size. This suite of CMMs offer lab measurement accuracy on the shop floor for faster, more efficient quality control around the clock with minimal maintenance. Able to load inline manually or robotically, Mitutoyo CMMs increase part measurement throughput without sacrificing accuracy while reducing the time spent traveling to and from the CMM and manufacturing machines. Mitutoyo's MiCAT Planner CMM software enables one-click automatic measurement programs generated from 3D CAD models and product and manufacturing information to increase measurement throughput. MiCAT Planner can reduce programming time by up to 95%, which helps keep your production line running while ensuring precise part measurements and quality control. The Mitutoyo MCOSMOS CMM software provide 3D CAD model programming, scanning, gear measurement, and airfoil measurement capabilities to speed up development and product processes. MCOSMOS allows for integration among a whole series of applications, improving CMM efficiency and delivering greater quality control productivity. The software allows users to tailor their measuring software to include only the specific modules needed to meet requirements, making the measurement process much faster. Mitutoyo MeasurLink SBC software not only speeds up inline part quality assurance, but it serves as a great tool for reducing scrap to keep money in the bank and not on the shop floor. MeasurLink collects and analyzes measurement data in real time and alerts operators of trends, cycles, and nonconformance as soon as they occur, so you can stop the manufacturing process sooner to adjust tooling, reprogram the part, or any other correction that needs to take place. The software's user interface allows a user nearly infinite ways to view information specific to a process from any connected device, helping to keep manufacturing within your chosen tolerances in real time. Let's look at Mitutoyo's inline CMMs with more detail. The MiSTAR 555 CNC CMM offers our complete suite of best-in-class shop floor measurement solutions, delivering fast, accurate inline measurements for a full range of workpiece applications. MiSTAR provides unprecedented versatility and the toughest shop floor operating condition capabilities with best-in-class speed and acceleration. Get the most accurate measurements regardless of dust, oil, and coolants with guaranteed accuracy through the widest temperature range of 50 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit on a shop floor CMM. An easy loading design with 3 open sides saves inspection time by allowing robotic loading and unloading as well as effortless walk-up inspection both inline and nearline. And with Mitutoyo's smart measuring system, the MiSTAR 555 offers real-time, remote monitoring capabilities to perform quality control from anywhere with a connected device, an absolute for today's smart factory needs. The extremely compact MACH Ko-Ga-Me automated CMM is ideal for single-feature inspection in automated cells or as a standalone solution. Its 3-axis CNC measuring head, high-speed drive, and flexible design make precision measurement more efficient for small components. The lightweight MACH Ko-Ga-Me delivers CMM capabilities with maximum space flexibility. Install the MACH Ko-Ga-Me on your production line, nearline, or directly onto a rigid frame machine tool. This allows for high-speed measurement and quicker feedback and compensation in traditional and smart factory manufacturing processes. The MACH 3A CNC Coordinate Measuring System is the world's fastest horizontal axis CMM, providing exceptional inline nearline accuracy assurance along its extended Y-axis, even for large machined components. Its easy-to-use touchscreen interface and all-in-one construction streamline and enhance each measurement. The MACH III CMM delivers increased drive speed, acceleration, and measurement speed to achieve higher throughput in a smaller footprint while maintaining highly accurate results. Its all-in-one, space-saving design, along with excellent dust resistance and temperature compensation, makes this CMM ideal for inline operations where a reduction in measurement time is required. The high-throughput MACH V CNC CMM uses a flexible measurement system to achieve a drive speed of 866 millimeters per second, making it the fastest inline vertical axis CNC CMM on the market. The MACH V CMM machine delivers rapid, highly accurate measurements of machined components directly within or near your production line. Its barycentric drive system provides high speed and maximum accuracy at lower costs and is engineered for 24-hour operation with protection against harsh environments. High-speed linear guides used in place of compressed air means less maintenance problems occurring. The MACH V's space-saving design, high acceleration, and high-speed probe movement make shop floor quality assurance fast, simple, and reliable. From detecting dimensional defects in part blanks to inspecting the final part with incredible accuracy, you can trust the end-to-end shop floor measurement solutions from Mitutoyo. For more information, please call us at 888-MITSUTOYO or visit us online at mitsutoyo.com.